Coming up in today's video, I am going to be making my own version of Naptural85's African Black Soap Shampoo. I'm going to show you all my steps with the ingredients, and then I am going to hop in the shower and show you my very first impressions of the recipe and how much my hair loved or didn't love it, so stay tuned. So starting off with the ingredients, I had this glass jar with about 400 ml of boiling water, which will cool down by the time I've put my ingredients in. I have an empty product bottle with a pump. This is going to be very useful for later on. Next, I have this Kiya Cosmetics African Black Soap. I'm just taking it out of the container so you can see what it looks like. This is authentic African Black Soap. And this is about the size of a small bar of soap. I also have some vegetable glycerin. I also have this Kiya Cosmetics hair growth oil with a lot of wonderful oil ingredients. I've also added some neem oil, vitamin E pure oil complex with a mix of vitamin E and other oils. This Primal Beauty hair repair serum, again with a mix of beautiful, nourishing, hydrating oils. And then I have, just for the smell, a lemongrass essential oil and also tea tree essential oil. So I have cut the African Black Soap into very small bits. I did this off camera, of course. And then I'm just adding them into my jar with the warm water, and you can see it's just starting to melt. Now I started off with a small amount, but then realized I had quite a lot of water, so I just decided to add the entire bar of the African Black Soap in because, you know, why not? So at this point, I just put the cover on and gave it a gentle shake. I didn't shake it too hard, but you can see it's definitely melting and then getting this dark brown, really rich color. So I start off by adding my vegetable glycerin, and I added about 20 mils of that. Next, I added about 5 mils of my vitamin E pure oil complex. You can see I added a little and then realized I needed to add just a bit more. And also because it comes out in very small droplets. So yeah, sorry for my hands in the way. Now I'm adding some of the Kiya Cosmetics hair growth oil. And I've added about 10 mil of that. Again, just adding a touch more. Next, I added about 5 mil of the neem oil. And then about 8 mil of the Primal Beauty hair repair serum. And then for the lemongrass essential oil, I've added about 10 droplets of that. And then about 6 droplets of the tea tree essential oil. And again, I've given my mixture more of a gentle shake. Just to mix all of the ingredients together, and you can see that when it's all melted in, it just has this very, very rich brown color and quite a runny consistency. So I have transferred this into this bottle, which holds about 230 ml, and I still have about half of my mixture left. So making this much of the product will give you a decent amount that should last you quite a few washes. Welcome to the shower, guys. So it's been a while since I did any filming inside my shower, but here we are. So first of all, I'm just rinsing my hair. I'm rinsing my pre-poo out of my hair. If you'd like to see what I use to pre-poo, then you can click the top right of the video. And then I am using my black soap shampoo. Of course, it helps to have your hair really wet before you start adding shampoo to your hair, or your scalp, should I say. So as always, I start in the middle, and then I started to just literally squirt the shampoo from the bottle straight into my parts. And as you can see, I was really happy with how it started to just lather up on my hair, and it just has a really lovely Just very gentle consistency. You can tell it's a very natural shampoo. It doesn't feel harsh in any way, shape or form. And you can see that the way I tend to wash my hair is that I part my hair and then I really work my shampoo into my scalp. One thing that I really loved about this shampoo is that since it's quite runny, it definitely gets into my parts and towards my scalp very easily, and you also don't need to use too much. You can see the amount of lather that I got in just using a small amount of the shampoo. I really didn't need to use a lot. And then from here I am moving on to using my scalp massager. If you'd like to know why I'm using a scalp massager, then just click the top right of the video to find out about my hair growth strategy for 2020. But I am going to stop talking now and let you hear my initial thoughts in the shower. And apologies in advance for my autofocus, but it needs to be done in the shower, so I'm sorry it's a bit noisy. Why have I never tried an African Black Soap Shampoo before? This stuff is lovely. I'm really happy that I put it in this bottle because it's quite runny, and the original product that was in this bottle is also quite runny. So this, the feature where you can just press and get the product out, is perfect for this. I'd recommend using something like that if you're going to make your own. My scalp feels really soft. It does feel a little drier than a sulfate-free shampoo would, but of course because it's African Black Soap. But I've previously tried African Black Soap type products on my scalp before, and it's felt more dry than this. I can tell that the glycerin and the other oils and stuff have really helped to keep it from being too dry on my hair. It just feels lovely, and I've done one wash and I've used like this much, which for one whole head of hair is not bad at all. So here I am just rinsing the shampoo out of my hair. I only really needed to shampoo my hair once. I didn't need to do it multiple times. The shampoo did enough of a good job the first time around, and it was very easy to wash out of my hair. So I have absolutely no complaints whatsoever. And since I made such a big batch, of course, that means I will have a good amount to use. So I will be reporting back in the future on how my hair responds over time to the African Black Soap Shampoo. But for the time being, I would say I really do love it, especially on days when I don't really want to use a commercially made shampoo, and I just want to use something that's going to help to clarify my hair somewhat, but without that stripping feeling on my hair. And I'm just showing you here what my hair looks like when it was all done. So my hair was very clean, but definitely not stripped. I had a little bit of a slightly waxy feeling on my scalp. I believe that's potentially from the oils that I used. I would say at the moment my scalp feels like it has a slightly waxy feeling to it. Like I can feel like it's definitely been washed with something. It does have that slightly dry feeling that African Black Soap leaves, but it doesn't feel fully dried out. Like there's still a level of softness to it. So we'll see on a longer term basis how it works for my scalp, but my scalp does not feel stripped, which is a good thing. So yeah, in the end I loved the results, and I hope that you did too. And if you did enjoy this video, then please hit the red subscribe button below to receive more videos from this channel and more updates. And I'll see you again soon on the Curly Closet. Wishing you health, happiness and beautiful hair. I'll see you again soon. Take care. Bye.